test drive the 2013 Dart. The Dodge Dart is a compact sedan that combines efficiency with sport. With plenty of space to tote passengers, the Dart is a great value. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, wheel covers, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, remote trunk release, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.